Hey everybody, if you haven't subscribed already, please be sure to click that button. Be sure to like the video and share it with your friends. Today we're going to be grilling some salmon. We're going to be making a couple of delicious sides as well, so be sure to stick around and see how we make those. First we're going to be dabbing our salmon, making it nice and dry for our seasonings. Going to be adding some salt first. Just be cautious when you are dabbing your salmon, drying it off. You don't want to do it too hard so it gets mushy. The next thing we're going to put on here is some fresh cracked black pepper, your boy's favorite. This is how you get your forearms jacked. Lastly, we're going to add some lemon pepper seasoning, which is one of my favorites to put on pretty much any meat. I guess fish isn't meat, but I mean, it is. Just admiring my handiwork here. This is wild caught salmon, as you can see by the color. Wild caught will be much redder and less pink. We're going to be chopping up one of our sides here, which is going to be our Brussels sprouts. Cutting our salmon into 3 pieces, getting it ready for the grill. Once we've got our veggies chopped up, we've got to season those as well. Going to be putting some avocado oil on it first. Getting it nice and covered with salt. Fresh cracked black pepper. And if you couldn't guess, we're just going to be seasoning it the same way that we did the salmon. So, going to grab that lemon pepper. I'm going to be baking these at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I believe I actually put it back in for an additional 5 or 10. I want it nice and crispy, but I want the insides to be nice and soft. We're going to be boiling some potatoes as well. Pretty simple. Don't spray once the flame is ignited like I just did there. You're going to want to do it beforehand, but once you've got it hot, we're going to be putting our salmon on and cooking that at about 400 to 450 degrees for 5 minutes, skin side down. It's looking amazing, so we're going to flip it over just for about 30 seconds. And once that's done, we're going to be plating everything together. But before we do that, we got to grab our veggies out of the oven. We got our potatoes all out. Really don't have to prep those, just rinse them off and they'll be ready to eat. Last thing we're going to do to our Brussels sprouts is going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. You can also add some crushed red pepper if you'd like. But there we have it, all plated and ready to go. This was so delicious. Thank you all for the support. I really appreciate you guys. Have a nice week.